Someone just asked, Tyler, how do I write off my vacations? Is that a thing? And while the answer of going on a pure vacation and deducting it through the business is tax deductible, that's not true. But as a business owner, it's very simple with a little bit of strategery to make all of your trips that you take business trips. And so what you want to do is figure out a way, whether it's going and looking at a new site to open up a new location, or to go meet with prospective clients or existing clients, or to go get away from the office and have a planning agenda. You want to figure out the total days of the trip that are business and versus personal, and that's the total amount of your meals and your lodging that you can deduct. Then if it's over 50%, then 100% of the flight's deductible. If it's under 50%, none of the flight is. So make sure that you're just intentional about how you plan that, and it's very legitimate that you can make almost all of your trips business trips.